Imagine waking up one day and realizing you're completely free from financial stress. No worrying about rent, no credit card debt weighing you down, and no regret over missed investment opportunities. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, this can be your reality if you know the right financial secrets. But here's the shocking part. Most people are still making the same money mistakes that keep them broke. So, if you want to break free, pay close attention because today, we're revealing the finance secrets you need to know in 2025. Listen, the world is changing fast. Inflation, AI-driven job markets, new investment opportunities. What worked 5 years ago just won't cut it anymore. If you're not adapting, you're falling behind. But here's the good news. You don't need a six-figure salary to build wealth. You just need to play smarter. Today, we're breaking down the top finance secrets that will help you save more, invest wisely, and achieve financial freedom in 2025. Secret number 1. Stop hoarding cash. Your money is losing value. Here's a hard truth. If your money is sitting in a regular savings account, you're losing purchasing power every single day. Inflation in 2025 isn't slowing down, and traditional banks aren't keeping up. The solution? High-yield savings accounts, money market funds, and diversified investments. Your cash should be working for you, not collecting dust. Secret number 2, the AI wealth revolution. Use technology to grow your money. In 2025, AI isn't just for chatbots. It's changing the finance game. Smart investors are using AI-driven robo-advisors, automated budgeting apps, and AI-powered stock analysis tools to make smarter, data-backed decisions. Imagine having a financial assistant that never sleeps, never makes emotional decisions, and always finds the best investment opportunities. That's the power of AI-driven finance. Secret number 3, the side hustle boom. Multiple income streams are no longer optional. In 2025, relying on one income source is financial suicide. The smartest people are diversifying, whether it's freelancing, digital products, content creation, or passive income streams. The best part, many of these side hustles don't even require you to leave your home. The question is, what's stopping you from creating your second income stream? Secret number 4, budget like a billionaire. Every dollar needs a job. Rich people don't just spend money, they give every dollar a mission. Budgeting in 2025 isn't about restriction. It's about strategic spending. The 50-30-20 rule? Outdated. Try the Wealth Acceleration Budget, where 40% goes to investments, 30% to essentials, 20% to savings, and only 10% to fun. Master this, and you'll be ahead of 90% of people financially. Secret number 5, the investing mindset. Think like an owner, not a consumer. Most people spend money on things that lose value, but wealthy people, they invest in things that grow. Instead of buying the latest phone, invest in the company making the phone. Instead of renting forever, work towards property ownership, shift your mindset from spending to investing, and watch how quickly your wealth multiplies. The financial game is changing, and now you have the secrets to stay ahead. The question is, will you act on them? The difference between being broke and building wealth is what you do next. Start budgeting smarter, investing wisely, and building income streams today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more money secrets, and let us know in the comments. What's your number 1 financial goal for 2025? Let's build wealth together.